What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to JD Details. Today's video is an Audi A5 convertible. It's in for a full detail. Now, this vehicle hasn't seen a detail since the owners purchased it, so we're going to restore some life back into it, have it looking new again. So if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So without further ado, let's dive in. Alright guys, first things first, we're going to start out by vacuuming these carpets. Now these aren't the worst that I've had, and they sure don't compare to the smoker's vehicle. Now if you want to check out an absolute disgusting vehicle, you can head over and check that video out after this one. Here I'm spraying down some of my carpet solution before tackling it with the drill brush. Try to soften up some of these salt deposits that have gathered over these wonderful Ohio winters that we have. Now I'm only using hot water in the extractor. I'm letting that carpet solution do all the heavy lifting. And in case you were wondering what kind of extractor I'm using, it's a Bissell Spot Clean Professional. And I highly recommend you picking one up, as it does numbers for cars or whatever really you need cleaned. You can find the link below in the description. Using some Meguiar's D101 and a detail brush, I'll go around the whole vehicle's interior, and this will help loosen up all that dirt and dust and all that crud that's accumulated over time, especially when the top is down. Here I'm going around applying 303 Aerospace to all the interior surfaces. This will give it that layer of UV protection, but it'll also leave it with that crisp, fresh off the factory line look. After picking this up from the owner and driving it back to my garage, it had me really thinking that, maybe I should get a convertible. Let me know in the comments if having a convertible is really worth it. If there's a lot of upkeep or not, let me know. Moving on to the exterior, here I'm just doing a rinse of the vehicle to get that initial layer of dirt off before moving on to the foam cannon. Going around with the detail brush definitely helps get into those areas that your wash mitt really won't get into, where that dirt really likes to hide.
that does it for today's video. I want to thank y'all for watching. And if you want to check out some more of my transformations, you can head on over to my channel. If you like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any new and up and coming videos.